Hello and welcome dear student. Today we will start chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So first we know that what is linear equation in two variables. So now look, an equation ax plus by plus c is called linear equation in two variables x and y, where a does not equal to 0, b does not equal to 0, and a and b are the real numbers. You know real numbers like 1, 2, 3, fraction, etc. These are three examples of linear equation in two variables x and y. 2x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3x. You can take any other two variables like a, b, c, d, etc. Okay. Also, you know, linear equation in two variables is called the equation of a line in x, y plane. Okay. Also, linear equation in two variables is called equation of a line in xy plane. Our next heading is pair of linear equation in two variables. So now you know a pair of linear equation which is in the form of a1x plus y, b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, called pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. So where a1 does not equal to 0, a2 does not equal to 0, b1 does not equal to 0, b2 does not equal to 0. It is a necessary condition. Necessary condition. You have to follow this condition. Otherwise, if these conditions are not follows this pair of equation, then you can say these are not a linear pair of equation. Linear pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So now look the example. 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the pair of linear equation in two variable x and y. Okay. Our next heading is geometrical form of linear equations in two variables. So for explaining this heading, we write, suppose we have to draw on the graph of equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. First we draw the graph of linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in two variables for only one equation. So you can write this in the term of x. So we write uy is equal to 6 minus 3x upon 2. First we draw a solution table for equation 1. So for doing this, first we put 0 in this, so we will get 0. 6 minus 0 upon 2 is equal to 3, and again we put x is equal to 1, then we will get 6 minus 3 upon 2 means 3 upon 2 means 1.5. Again we put x is equal to 2, so we get 3 2 is 6, and 6 minus 6 upon 2 equals 0, and again we put x is equal to minus 2, then we will get minus 6, and when multiply minus 2 minus 6, we will get plus 6. 6 plus 6 upon 2 means 12 upon 2, so you will get 6. Now we will draw the graph. Now when we put x is equal to 0, so we take the scale on x-axis and along the y-axis. Along the x-axis we take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So you can write here 1, 2, 3, and again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. And also along the y-axis we take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, so it will be 2, 4, 6, and also it will be minus 2, 4, minus 4. Okay. So in the next step, now we will represent all the points, all the solution, like solution table means 0, 3, 1, 1, 1.5, 2, 0, minus 2, 6. These 4 are the solutions of this equation. These 4 are the solutions of this equation. Okay. So now we plot this solution on this xy plane. Okay. First we take 0 on the x-axis. At the 0, at x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 3. So it is 0 and y is equal to 3. We will get here 1 point is here. So it is 0, comma 3. And again when we put x is equal to 1, so here we write, we can look here, x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1 we get 1.5. So 1.5 you will get, it is the 1. Okay, it is the 1, and in between 1 and 2 you will get 1.5. So your point will be this. Again, when you put x is equal to 2, then you will get y is equal to 0. So this point here will be 2 comma 0. And again, when you put minus 2, x is equal to minus 2, then you will get y is equal to 6. So another fourth point is this. Now join these 4 points. Join these 4 points. Whenever you will join this 4 point, you will get a straight line. You will get a straight line. So you can say this straight line represents this straight line represents the equation of a linear equation of two variables x and y. 3x plus 2y equals 6. Okay, so we can write the next line. So solution of 3x plus 2y equals 6 are 0, 3, 1, 1.5, 2, 0, minus 2, 6. Okay, so next line we write, thus every solution of 3x plus 2y equals 6 corresponds to a point on the line, on this line, this straight line. Okay, as well as we can write its opposite. Every point, we can say every point on the line represents the equation corresponds to a solution. Means these are the solutions. So we can tell about this line which represents in the xy plane. Solution of 3x plus 2y equals 6 are 0, 3, 1, 1.5, 2, 0, minus 2, 6. There are 4 solutions. You can know that this equation can have infinitely many solutions, but here we will represent only 4 solutions for understanding to all of you. Okay, so thus we can say, thus every solution of 3x plus 2y equals 6 means this 4. 6 corresponds to a point. Suppose the points is this. For example, these 4 points. So 0, 3 corresponds to this point. Okay, this point. And also 1, 1.5, this solution corresponds to this point. And also 2, 0 corresponds to this point. Also minus 2, 6 will correspond this point. Okay, to a point on the line, as well as you can write in a conversely way, every point on the line. Every point means this this point, every point on the line represents the equation. Means this equation correspond to a solution. Means this solution, this solution, this solution, this solution. Okay, so our next heading will be geometrical form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, this is our next heading. So we will write, for explaining this definition, we write here the geometrical form of the geometrical form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Two variables represent two straight lines. Represent two straight lines. Okay, in three ways. So first way is when both lines are intersect. When both lines are intersect to each other. Okay, so you can look the figure like this way. Suppose the intersection point is this P, and suppose it is the first line. So its equation will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and also a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. In a short way you can write L1, and also you can write L2. Okay, our second way is when they are parallel. When both lines are parallel. Okay, so you can look here, it is the first line and it is the second line. So you can say it is the a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, or you can say L1 and it is L2. Okay. Our third way is Our third way is when they are coincident, when both lines are coincident. You know, coincident means whenever first line cover completely to the second line, and also you can say second line can cover completely to the first lines. Okay, so this, in this way the your figure will be L1 or and L2, L1 and L2. L1 means this, L1 means this equation, and L2 means this equation. Okay, sorry, L1 means this equation and L2 means this equation. So you can look at one example. You can look one example when we can say that the pair of these linear equation of two variables, like when both lines are when both lines are coincident, you can say one example, the pair of linear equation will be x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and again you can write 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, whenever you will get this type pair of linear equation in two variable x and y, then you can say these two lines, the geometrical representation of these two lines will be coincident. Okay, will be coincident. Our next heading is solution of pair of linear equations by graphical method. Our next heading is solution of pair of linear equation, solution of pair of linear equation. Okay, solution of pair of linear equations by graphical method. Okay, so in this we write the first point, unique solution for unique solution, or you can say one and only one solution, one and only one solution. Okay, next line. So we write in this heading, when both lines have only one common point, when both lines means straight lines have only one common point, then pair of linear equations has one and only one solution, has one and only one solution. Okay, suppose it is the xy plane, and when we draw a line, suppose it is the equation of first line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and when another line which has the equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then these two equations have only one common point like p. Okay, so the linear pair of linear equation will have only one solution, or you can say unique solution. So our next heading, our second heading will be for infinite many solutions of pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so we write here second point, infinite many solution of pair of linear equation. Infinite many solutions of pair of linear equations two variable. Okay, so in this we will write when one line is coincident to another line, when one line is coincident to the another line, that is they cover completely to each other, that is they cover completely to each other. Okay, then the pair have infinitely many solutions. Then the pair has infinitely many solutions. Okay, so we can draw in xy plane line a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, and also a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Again, our third point for parallel lines, we will write no solution of pair of linear equations. No solutions of pair of linear equations okay, so in this we will write when one line is parallel to other, when one line is parallel to other, then pair has no solution. Then solution like this way. Suppose it is the a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another a2 x plus 2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, our next heading is inconsistent pair of linear equation. We write inconsistent pair of linear equations. Okay, so in this we will write a pair of linear equation is called inconsistent pair of linear equations if it has no solution. A pair of linear equations is called inconsistent pair inconsistent. You can also leave this inconsistent if the pair has no solution. Okay, our next heading, so in this we can write here, means no solution means in this only pair of linear equation will be exist. Okay, our next heading, consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent pair of linear equations, in two variables. So we write in this, a pair of linear equation is called consistent. A pair of linear equations is called consistent if the pair has at least one solution. Okay, we will write one line note. We will write a note when pair of linear equation has unique solution, when pair of linear equations has unique solution or infinitely many solutions, then pair of linear equation is called consistent pair. Then pair of linear equation is called consistent. Okay. Also, if pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions, also if pair of linear equations has pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions, then the pair is called dependent pair. Then the pair is called dependent pair. There is no question in your this chapter in which you have to say that dependent pair. Check out whether this pair are dependent or not. Okay. Our next heading is graphical solution related to the ratio of coefficients of the pair of linear equations. Graphical solution related to ratio of coefficients of the pair of linear equation. Ratio of coefficients of the pair of linear equations. Okay. Suppose we have pair of linear equations are a1x plus a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. Okay, so first, when a1 a2 does not equal to b1 b2, then in the case, then we write, then both lines intersect, then both lines straight lines, both lines are intersect and we get unique solution. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal 0, and another 3x plus 2y plus 2 equal 0. This is the pair of linear equation, and the geometrical representation will intersect of the line of this equation and line of this equation. Okay, so here we can observe here a1 upon a2 will be 2 upon 3, b1 upon b2 will be 3 upon 2, and another c1 upon c2 equal 3 upon 2. So we can observe here, since we can observe here a1 upon a2 does not equal to b1 upon b2. So we can say in this question that the lines represented by these two equations will intersect at one point. So next point is when a1 a2 equal b1 b2 does not equal to c1 c2. In this case we can write, then both lines then both lines are parallel, then both lines are parallel and we get no solution, okay, no solution. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal 0, and 4x plus 6y plus 2 equal. Here we can observe that a1 equal 2, a2 equal 4, b1 equal 3, b2 equal 6, c1 equal 3, c2 equal 2. Okay, we can observe here a1 upon a2 equal 2 upon 3, b1 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2, and also b1 upon b2 equal 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2, and c1 upon c2 equal 3 upon 2. Therefore a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Here we can observe that a1 upon a2 b1 upon b2 are equal, but these are not equal to c1 upon c2. Our third point is when a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are equal, then we can write here, then both lines are coincident, then both lines are coincident, okay, and we get infinitely many solutions, and we get infinitely many solutions. For example, you can look here, 2x plus 4y plus 6 equal 0, and second 4x plus 8y plus 12 equal 0. Now here a1 equal 2, a2 equal 4, b1 equal 4, a2 equal 4, b1 equal 4, b2 equal 8, c1 equal 6, c2 equal 12. Here we can observe that a1 a2 equal 2 upon 4 means 1 upon 2, b1 b2 equal 4 upon 8 means 1 upon 2, c1 c2 equal 6 upon 12 means 1 upon 2. Therefore a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2, these all three ratios will equal. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video for solving the next topic. Goodbye.